In this video I will show you how to download Fortnite on your Android phone for free. Okay, alright, let's get started. So what you need to do is you just need to go to your Google Chrome and click on the search over here and search for Fortnite. Search for Fortnite Android. You can see over here Epic Games first link. Click on the first link. It will take you to this page over here. As you can see, scroll down and click on download now. Then it will take you to this page again and click on download anyway. And you need to download this epic game. As you can see, you just need to wait few seconds. And as you can see, the file is downloaded. Click on open and click on install. Click on open. And click on open over here. As you can see, Fortnite Epic Games, click on get and click on install. Click on download. You just need to wait for this file to be downloaded. As you can see now it's installing. Click on setting and click on this icon over here, allow this, and click on I'm aware. Select this I'm aware and click on OK like that, and go back to this page and click on install, and the Fortnite will be installing to your phone. As you can see, click on open and click on open. And as you can see, Fortnite now is installing to my phone. As you can see, click on OK. Then you need to download this file over here. As you can see, this file, you just need to click on OK. After this file will be downloaded and will be finished, then you can start playing Fortnite on your phone. Okay,